What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a quick, short, sweet video on my 4Runner. I was driving the wife from downtown yesterday to her car because she went out for supper with some co-workers, and yeah, so I was gonna drive her to her car, and my battery light came on the 4Runner while I was driving, and I panicked. Thankfully, I have a volt gauge in the truck, and it was reading 11.9, which is extremely low, but it jumped right back up. So I was thinking to myself, well, what the heck is going on? There's my alternator. It looks like it was replaced because there's a remanufactured sticker on it. So I charged my battery all day today, took the Talon to work, and right now we have a 12.8 volts battery, so that's good. You want to see 12.8 on here, 12.6 to 12.8 from what I read online. Anything below that, your battery's starting to die. So it's fully charged now. I'm going to start the truck, see if the battery light comes on, and if this voltage drops. If it drops, that means the alternator can't recharge the battery. So let's see if I still have the same issue here as I did. So I got my volt meter down there. See, 12.6. And battery light still on. So I'm gonna just see if truck just started, so I'm not gonna rev it. But that should be charging. Ideally, that should be between like a 13.6 and a 14.8. And it's not. So, yeah, that just, the battery in the alternator was running fine. And I know that because I have my voltmeter, or my volt gauge down here. I always have one of these in the vehicles now because of my MR2 dying on the highway. So yeah, like battery light came on, I looked down here, it said 11.9. So, I mean, it can be other things too, but 99% of the time it's going to be a battery or it's going to be an alternator, and this is the test that lets you figure that out. A lot of people just take the positive terminal off, but I don't like doing that. That I think can cause damage, so I just bypass that. Take your voltmeter out and test the battery and see if she's getting a recharge. And in this case, I'm not. So yeah, it is pretty much confirmed that the alternator's toast in the 4Runner. I ordered one, it's on its way. And I'll be putting a new alternator in it. It sucks, but guess it's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, right? Just didn't think that it would die so quick, but it is a remanufactured piece, so I don't know the history on it and I don't know the brand. But as always, I hope you guys, somewhat enjoyed this video, and if you have a failing alternator or battery, you can do this quick test. I guess in some severe cases, if the battery is totally toast, I'm not sure if it'll take a charge. I doubt it would as well. But I think right now, the majority of the power that's going to making this truck run is coming from the battery. So yeah, I will try to upload soon. We've been super busy buying a house, trying to get this thing at least starting so we can take it on a truck to the house. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But yeah, until next time, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.